It was just a nightmare back in the old days with the 2 and 3 foot ruts everywhere we went, breaking through your soils, your compaction going to hell.
Because once it started to go down, it had very little ground clearance, and then it was dragging on the ground, and you couldn't raise it up high enough to quit pulling a load of dirt with it.
The tractor, with our pull scraper, has so much flotation that we're able to load in material in adverse conditions where you couldn't even drive a self-propelled motor scraper through empty.
The minute you started running back and forth across a piece of ground, it would start to cut a big track in there. That, and it only had 2 tires in the back too. They were bigger tires, but you only had 2 of them, and so you only had 12 inches of ground clearance to start off with, and then you start cutting a big rut, and pretty soon you had to pick a new spot to run because you were dragging the belly of the scraper even when the scraper was up all the way.
You go down there with a big old heavy self-propelled scraper and make 2 to 3 foot ruts, 1,000 foot down, 1,000 foot back. You got 5 hours worth of dozer work to fix that up. Whereas you go down there with one of these lighter rigs, work a small area, drag your stuff out. When you get done at the end of the day, it's way less cleanup.
Nobody offers a larger flotation tire than Miskin. The standard tires provide excellent flotation in a wide variety of dirt conditions. Sticky mud, however, will adhere to construction tires whether they're duals or singles. The Terra-tires not only provide excellent flotation, but shed the sticky mud very well.
What I'm pointing out here is how the mud is accumulating on the dual set of tires. The tires are just growing. Not only are they filling up between the tires, but they're growing, which creates resistance up there at the back of the carrier. Now I'm going to go over to the 2 single tires. These scrapers have been running, come out of the same hole. Nothing's different. And look at these tires. And look, but there's no mud on the tire.
The Miskin Terra-tires have the highest load rating available. You won't have to sacrifice your speed for flotation.
It got on the ground as quick as anything in the bottoms. You didn't have problems with actually getting stuck. Anything you can drive through, with just the tractor, you can pretty much get through with the scraper too. And if you do start to get in trouble with the Miskin, the nice thing is it's got the high ground clearance, and you can pick the scraper up and dump it standing still and get all the weight off the scraper. And then if you can't come out forward over that pile, you can always back over it and back out. I don't think they had to pull me out last winter at all. With all the different conditions we were in, and we were in some pretty nasty stuff. And we pulled the Challenger out 3 times.
This competitor has both low blade clearance and low flotation, so he got stuck going up this levee. With the Miskin's high ground clearance and higher flotation, we'll see how we do going up the same levee. The dozer's ready to help, but not really needed.
Hi, my name is Ken Schultz. I'm a quality control manager and project superintendent for Overstreet Construction. Right now this site here is a weir improvement site for the Army Corps of Engineers. What we're doing is moving about 250,000 yards of dirt. This is the type of material out here that's very loose underneath and it's very wet. These tractors went over the top of it. They did real good on it. As far as load-wise, getting to and from the dump and getting to and from the cut, they'll surpass anything on the road.